Hey guys, time to write our new template for the movie details page. Let's go for the movie.html partial. Let's remove the stuff we have. Let's add a new container classed well movie details and call XS12 for full width. Then let's add some of the attributes we want. First, let's add the poster. So we're gonna add an image of poster, image thumbnail, image responsive, so it's responsive. And let's use the ng-src img posters movie poster path, just like the catalog. Then gonna add the movie title. Let's make it an h1. Let's class it movie title so we can add some css. And let's print the title and the release date of the movie. For the release date, we're gonna add a filter called date to format the date just for years. Let's then add a small list of the genres of the movie. Let's create a link and let's make it an ng repeat genre in movie genres. Let's add some classes so it looks like a button, and then genre name. Then let's add the overview, that is the description of the movie, by printing out movie overview, and a few extra details. Let's create a div called extra details, and let's add a few attributes here, like runtime in minutes, the country where the movie was produced, which is in production countries. Let's get the first one and name, the language of the movie, that it's movie spoken languages, the first element and then name, and the release date. Let's use move release date and then pipeline date so it formats like a complete date. Now if you go to the browser and reload the details page, our details are here. They look kind of messy. Let's go to app.css and add some styles. First, let's get the movie details poster and align it on the left, add some margin on the right. Then let's move to the movie title. Let's use the Lobster font family again. Let's set the font size to 35 and remove the margin on the top. For the genres, let's add btn info and let's add some margin on the right. And for the overview text, let's readjust the font size and add some margin on top, bottom, and on the right. And finally, we can go back to the browser and it looks way better. Now you can see a few of the other movies and they're all looking nice. You know what would help here? A return to catalog button. Let's go back to our movie.html. Let's add right under the image a link class return link that will point to hash, and let's add a button. The class is gonna be return button and button default so it looks white, and return to catalog. Let's also add a little arrow here using the spam glyphcom arrow left. Now let's just add one little extra detail to app.css. Let's get the return link and align it on the right. And that should do it. Let's go back to the browser again, reload, and our nice button is here. And that's it, a nice details page. In the next video, we're going to learn a bit about creating custom services and using the same template for multiple controllers. See you there.